side. We call this shit genocide. Hit them with that doo doo, then they die. We gon'
What's up, guys? So I was gonna wait until I had my buddy here to do this video, but I decided I can't wait. I have to destroy something. It's quarantine. You can't let me. So I went ahead and did my first test shot.
You fucking wrecked it, mate.
I know, right? There's no exit wound, so it didn't go completely through, which I didn't really expect it to.
You better be doing this again. I hope you realize that.
For what?
Guys, I said so.
Help me find where shit to blow up. Just keep it aimed at the microwave.
Huh?
Aim the phone at the microwave. Okay, this time I'm gonna be aiming for the dials.
Well,
I should have had it running when I shot it.
Yeah, you should have.
I wonder if it would even still work.
I don't think you hit it.
I don't know, did I? Yeah.
Right in the O of the clock.
Dude, my aim's got better. Dude, this thing became mine because of a challenge I did with a buddy. He said that if he could hit a matchbox, then he said something, and if he couldn't, then something else. I said if I could hit it, the tan gun becomes mine forever.
And you hit it.
Oh yeah, I hit it every time. Also because I kind of got used to his sighting on his gun. I ended up telling him that it was 2 inches higher, which made him completely miss.
Oof. You didn't even say where you were aiming, cuz.
Oh, I was aiming at the same place.
Time to see the damage.
Right here.
Right next to it. And then we got him poking this shit.
Hey, Dr. Strange.